Hi, I am Moaz Irfan. I love open source community and making open source contribution. In this, we are going to be learning about AWS Lambda. Let's first understand that what it is, why you would want to use it, then we will dive into the code. AWS Lambda is a serverless computing that runs on a server which you don't have to buy or manage all of the underlying work like setting up, allocating memory to it. You don't need to do that. Code in a Lambda function runs in response to some event, like when something gets uploaded to S3 bucket or change in the database table happens. That triggers the Lambda function to run and do its thing. In this, we upload the file to S3 bucket that will trigger our Lambda, and the Lambda function will then output the content type of the file we uploaded, whether that's a video, image, text file. So we are going to start with a simple S3 service. Let's type the S3. This is where we are going to upload the files that will trigger our Lambda function. We will create a new bucket. We will name the bucket. Select the region. You can pick the region you want. I will go with the Asia and leave the rest of the setting as default and hit create bucket. Our bucket is created. We will add something to it in a moment. Let's first head to the Lambda and create a Lambda function. We will create a new Lambda function. We will name the Lambda function. Pick the language of your desire. I will go with the Python. We will add the permission. We will add the S3 bucket permission so it can trigger our Lambda function. We will create the new role name and type S3 here to add the S3 bucket permission to your Lambda. Let's rename it. Oh, our Lambda function has been created successfully. We will replace the code. So this is a piece of code I got from the blueprint for Lambda. So when the Lambda invokes this function, it passes two parameters, event and the context. Event has the information about the function. It will get us the data of the file we upload in the S3 bucket, and context has the process methods, and it will get us the function invocation. So what this function is doing is basically grabbing the and bucket and then the file we uploaded in the bucket, and then it returns the content type of the bucket. We will hit the deploy. So as from the definition, lambda is a function that triggers based on the event. Now we will add the trigger. We will select the source from here. We will select S3. We will pick the bucket we just created, and we will create the and hit that. Now let's head back to our S3 bucket. Before adding something to it, let's go to the properties. You can see the event. This will trigger our Lambda function whenever something gets created here. Now we will go ahead and upload something to here. We'll hit upload. Now we'll head back to our Lambda. Go to the monitor. From here you can watch the CloudWatch metrics. It can take a minute or two. Um, Change the time frame. We will give it a minute. It took a minute to come in, and you can see that we have the one invocation, 256 millisecond duration, and we have the success. We have no error. And now click on the view watch logs and click on the link. I have already opened it. There you can see it is showing us the type of the file we uploaded, and there you go. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you till next time.